Hi guys, this is Mike, and today I'm just going to show you a little bit of playing around with the Kaginawa and the binding techniques from the Torinawa program of Natori Ryu. So Bob is going to assist me. He's the bad guy, obviously. I have the Kaginawa in an everyday carry setup. So I have a little kydex holster for my Kaginawa, and I can pull it out like this. The rope is in my pocket and it's tidied up the way it's supposed to be in a self-releasing form. So once you got the bad guy down, or you're getting him down by hooking him either through the cheek or the ear or the clothing. I'm going to use the clothing for now. So I'll put the hook into the back of the neck, and I can keep the tension on, but probably by pulling him down and finishing on the ground, but I can keep the tension on this way. So you can keep the tension on. You make a fold over, you're diving under with this hand, and your thumb and your forefinger, which is holding the rope, is connecting to the other side of the rope. So now your thumb is somewhat in control of the junction here. Now you take your two next fingers and you're going to grab the rope and pull it through that loop, okay? And the thumb can assist you in pushing that junction forward. And you can, all you need is one finger through that loop and you can pull it down. And already you have tension again. Now this loop is too small to fit the arm through, but you can, without releasing the tension, enlargen this loop until it's big enough so that you can fit it over the hand, and then from this you can do everything with that one hand. So you're tightening up the loop, right, like this, and in case this is not good enough for you or he starts messing around, you can always increase the lock, get that hook out, and then you can still hook it in a more compliance related body part, like the ear or the cheek or behind the clavicle or somewhere that's nice and will make him sort of collaborate. But if not, you still need to lock this arm down, and we're doing this by making loops again like this. The long end is folding behind so that when you slip it over his hand, this is tightening it. Okay, so again, the long end goes towards me, and then I'm sliding it over and pulling it tight. And here we go.